What is the true purpose of this video then? This is not a manual for getting rid of everything you own. It's about how you can covertly increase your wealth by adopting a minimalist mindset. We'll demonstrate how having fewer possessions can, in fact, result in more money and freedom. Let's get started. Now let's discuss the three unstated advantages. Benefit number 1 is the mental energy tax refund. The hidden cost of clutter. First, let's discuss the mental energy tax refund. Your brain expends energy on each and every item you own. You must choose how to clean it, where to put it, and what to do with it. It's tiring to have so much mental clutter. You can free up that mental energy by owning less. Making better decisions, such as negotiating a higher salary or launching a side business, is made possible by having a clear headspace. Your brain gets a boost from minimalism. Benefit number 2 is the space dividend. You're paying rent for your junk. The second advantage is the space dividend. Consider this. For every square foot of your house, you are paying rent or a mortgage. You are effectively paying to store your junk when you fill it with items you hardly ever use and clutter. You may find that you don't need such a large pricey space if you own fewer things. You can save hundreds each month by avoiding a storage unit or downsizing to a smaller, less expensive home. You can immediately use that money to improve your future and put it back into your pocket. Benefit number 3 is upgrade immunity, the antidote to marketing. Let's finally discuss upgrade immunity. Every day, advertisements tell you that your car isn't cool enough and your phone is too old. The cost of this ongoing pressure to upgrade is high. However, minimalism alters your perspective. You stop considering your belongings as old and begin to see them as perfectly useful when you concentrate on what you actually need. You avoid the largest and most needless costs because you become immune to the marketing. Rather than exchanging your money for the newest fad, you keep it. You can start small, even though this might seem like a big change. You don't have to discard everything. A simple 30-day challenge to stop all non-essential shopping is a great place to start. Only for a month. Avoid purchasing new home furnishings, electronics, or clothing. The amount of money you save and how little you really miss it will surprise you. Your entire relationship with money and other things can be changed by taking this one tiny step. In summary, minimalism provides you with a space dividend that reduces your expenses, an upgrade immunity to prevent unnecessary spending, and a mental energy refund to help you make better decisions. It's an easy yet effective way to start investing in the life you really want and stop wasting money on unnecessary things. If this got you thinking, tell me in the comments which of these 3 advantages would be most beneficial to you. Subscribe to Monetive for more easy money management advice. It helps you create a more prosperous future and is free.